Hi there, welcome to another video. Well, you guys see in the video that I installed on my scrambler the fog lights. It is very easy job to do. I didn't have to use any like super special equipment or tools. Literally I just pull the headlight out of the motorcycle and then you guys see these connectors. Well, literally it's just plug and play. Just buy the adapters for those connectors, install your lights, and connect each light in those connectors right there. It's all you have to do. You haven't to do anything else but that. And then the motorcycle already comes with a switch. That switch that you're gonna see there, that's the switch. It's already installed. You don't have to buy anything else. Just use that. Literally just take the headlight, connect those fog lights, try them, make sure they're working, and put it back. That's all you have to do. All right, it was very easy. It took me maybe like 50 minutes the most, and I think it's actually a pretty good job. You don't have to spend any money except for the connectors, right, which is cost like maybe $9. All right, well, hope you liked the video. See you guys soon.